They are the hardest and most dangerous workers in the aluminum alloy foundry industry. In the heatwave workshop, baking aluminum around a furnace at a high temperature of 700 or 800 degrees, water splashes dust. It can be said to be dirty, tired, dangerous, and hot. But thankfully, their bosses care about their employees. Bring this drudgery and dirty environment to a long-term stable job. For employees, some people see me as honey. Some people see me as arsenic. Some people think I can make their labor less intense. Some people think I'm taking their jobs. Some people still think I'm not up to the task. Finally, when I showed my ability, those accusations turned into relaxed smiles, without exception. From the time of installation wiring, I was officially hired. What I'm going to do is pour the cylinder head of the car engine. When I adjusted the amount of aluminum poured, the angle, the speed, the flow. After pouring several sand cores in a row, the pouring master checked it patiently. He smiled and said, "All qualified." This moment is what I have been looking forward to. I will be in production 24 hours a day. I was emotionless, will not be tired. Create value for customers by reducing costs and increasing efficiency. This is the meaning of my future existence.